Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus Kobold, I'm founder and breeder of Lubera, and today's subject are the robust apricots. Robucots, or in German we name them Robustikosen. So with apricots in our climate, in our northern climates, we have generally a problem. They are growing very good, but after some years, 3, 4, 5 years, they are dying back. First one branch, a second branch, then the whole plant. And so of course you will plant again an apricot, but it's a problem. And also here, the reason is that for hundreds of years, apricots were not selected for a northern rainy climate. For a humid climate, they were bred and selected for southern climates with lots of sunshine, low rain, and a very warm winter. So we need more resistance there. But there is an old genus, a hybrid genus, which exists already in Italy, but also in northern parts of Ukraine. There they are named black apricots. In Italy, they are named Apricots, and these are natural hybrids of Prunus terracifera and Prunus armeniaca. And out of this gene pool, we have selected 3 varieties, new varieties, which are small plums, big cherries, small plums, with a skin like an apricot and with a fruit flesh like a plum. And the aroma is plum-like, and in the end with aromas of apricots and peaches sometimes also. The color is red, early varieties red, late varieties with Ukrainian background, late varieties are black, and the early varieties are more red. And we have ripening times of this wonderful snack fruit from middle of June till beginning of September. So almost 3 months a year you can enjoy this wonderful snack fruit. The first plants we will offer on our website from the 1st of August on, so you have to wait a little bit, but the longer you wait, the better the success to have the plants, and then 1 or 2 years later to have the fruits will be. Go on gardening. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.